Hi folks. How are you doing? In this additional, in today's newspaper on Monday, July 27th, 2020, the last Sudoku of 6. It's a tectonic one, and this will be a number 1, 2, 3, 6. So let's get started. We have a single box here, so this should be a 1. A dual box, 1 and 2. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. We have more dual boxes. No. Let me see. These two boxes cannot be a 2. These two boxes cannot be a 2. So one box left for the 2 should be there. And then these two boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 goes in these two boxes. Let me mark them for you. So the 4 cannot be here. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. Here we have a 4, so this box cannot be a 4. One box left for the 4 should be there. These two should be the 2 and the 5. 2 and a 5. Let me see. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1. So one box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1 or 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. These 2 boxes left for the pair. 4 and 5. 4 and 5. 4 and 5. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 goes here or there. But I see here 1. So this cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes here or there. Let me think. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes in these 2 boxes. The question is, can I place the 2 here? No. Because if I place the 2 here, these 4 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. And also, this box cannot be a 2. So I need a 2 in one of those 5 boxes. So this box cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. And the question is, can I place the 1 here? If I place the 1 here, no, I cannot place the 1 there because we have a 1 here. Of course, so the 1 should be there. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box cannot be a 5. This box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 3. So we have here the 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left for the 3 and the 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 and the 5 goes there as a pair. 1 and the 5 and the 5. And I have a 5 in these 2 boxes. That means this box cannot be a 5. Otherwise I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be the 2. And this should be the 5. 2 boxes left for the 3 and the 2. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. The 1 and the 4 are left. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be the 5. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or there. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here or there. Yeah. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here or could be there. But I cannot place the 4 there, otherwise I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 should be here. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. And I have eliminated the 3, so the 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be here. This box should be the 1. This box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. This box should be the 5. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1, 2, the 3 and the 5 are left. Let me mark them. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes should be the 3 and the 4. This box cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here or there. That means this box cannot be a 5. Otherwise I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 4 and this should be a 5. We have a alright. This box cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this area for the number 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. This box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This is the 5. This box cannot be a 3. This box cannot be a 4. So the 3 and the 4 goes in these 2 boxes. 3 and the 4. Oh, we have a 3 here. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 4 goes there. 1 box left for the 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So the 5 goes in these 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. Oh, wait. We have a 5 here, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. This box cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 1 box left for the 4. We have a 3 here, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. this should be the 3 here. This box should be a 2. It cannot be a 1. Should be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yeah, it's a 2. So 2 boxes left, the 5 and the 1. That means this box cannot be a 1, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. This should be a 2, this should be a 1. Then we have a 5 here. So this box cannot be a 5, this should be a 1, this should be a 5. We have a 5 now, so this cannot be a 5, this should be a 4, and this should be a 5. Let's go back here. These two, wait, these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. We have a 4 now, so this cannot be a 4, this should be a 3, this should be a 4. The 3 and the 5 are left. We have a 3 here, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. We have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore, this should be the 3, and this should be the 5. We have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore, this should be the 3, and this should be the 4. Finished in 11 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like the Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Only if you like, only if you want, and hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. See you next time. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Bye bye.